Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the SP500, what it done today, actually there is no move. The market is staying flat here in 4 hours. So here in 4 hours, there is nothing new. Same analysis I showed you yesterday in the daily and 4 hours and 30 minutes still applying here. We told you we got here an up channel like that. Till now it hasn't touched in the lower of it. So it might it will falling down again till it will touch in here. Then after that, you're going to see it going up. Or it might from here where we are going to go up. Because as I showed you yesterday, we are here at that level here, that one here. After it's getting broke here. Now the market, it go back to test it here. And as you see, it couldn't break it here. It's showing to us as if it's going to give us here in that place here. A double bottom here. And that was something very good and healthy. So let's wait in the coming hours what the market is going to give us here. Because till now that 4 hours candle which is going now, it's showing a very positive view. So let's see in the coming hours if it's breaking here the neckline, maybe it will going back upward again. So here everything still look good because as you see that level here, look with me here, that one here, if you came like that and you draw in here a line, what you see that here, it's being here a resistance. When it's getting broke here, now the market it go back to touch it here, and the resistance when it's getting broke it become like a support here, and that's what the market is showing to us here. As you see it fall down here, it couldn't break it, make here like a retracement. Now it going to give us here like a double bottom. If it's breaking the neckline, that means it will going back upward, and that's something very good. And now it's going to come that Fed speech in that forum where they are going to ask him questions about inflation and those things, because people the only thing they want to hear from him when the Fed is going to stop increasing interest rate and they are going to pivot, let's make it like that. So that over here is the dilemma, and that no one know about it where it's going to be, because investors till now they are divided at two. Some of them they said by May or the end of this year Fed is going to stop increasing interest rate and they are going to start reducing interest rate in this year in 2023. And some of them they said no, the Fed it will not reduce interest rate in 2023 till 2024, and that where there is no clarity yet. That way you see the market staying here. But also me personally, I think that the bottom here and now also still going up. I think picture is getting more clear to you. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, it's staying here, the overbought area. So technically there is nothing now. You need to looking for a short opportunity that take what that indicator of us telling us. But for you to enter short, as I show you before, you came here, you drawing the trend line like that, and you waiting the market to come to break it here. If it's break here, it's going to fall down again. If it's not, there is nothing now. You still in the uptrend now here, because as you see that uptrend, how many times it's been touched? 3 times, and from here it's at the 4th time. So it's a very stronger trend line, and that it's showing to us also we are still going in an uptrend. And even the analysis I show you now, you are here in that very stronger supply and demand zone here, and the market it came back and touch it here. Now maybe from here we're going to go back upward. That's what me I told you yesterday. I told you also we're still in an uptrend. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see the SP500 what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in the last video, what I told you about the 200 moving average, I told you it's been reacted like a very stronger support. And the same thing now. The only thing here for us to enter long, what I told you in the last video, I told you came here to the 2 points, that one and that one here, and you waiting the market to go back and to break them here. That's when it need to break even the 200 moving average up for you to enter long again. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Yes, he tried to give you here like a double bottom. Look at that here. In 30 minutes, it's very clear here. But the neckline is going to be here. It's the same thing like the trend line. If you came here and you do it like that, it's going to be here. Exactly here. So it's the same thing. You follow anyone you want, the double bottom, the trend line. The only thing, if it's breaking here, you enter long and you put stop loss down here in that level here. If it's not, that means it's going to continue falling down again. Because if you're looking with me here, what you got here, you got like a small channel. Maybe that one it will touch just here. Then after that it will falling down again to touch the lower of that channel. Even that one is a scenario. So you need to make all the scenarios in the side. So if it's breaking here in the top of that channel, you enter long. If it's not, if it show you here a pin bar or something, that's when the market is going to to fall down again to here. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's showing us also we are here at the oversold area, and it's giving us here like a small divergence like that. But all that, it will not complete it unless if there is a price action telling us the market is going to reverse. And may I show you the two price actions you got now. You got here the double bottom here and the trend line. It needs to break here for us to enter long. The take profit for that one, it needs to be here in the top maybe, or in the one in that peak here. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Same thing here. I'll show you in the yesterday video. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it, where we analyze the daily and 4 hours and 30 minutes. Here we said we got here a up channel, and a very clear up channel like that. That was also we said in the last video. So it touching the top here. Now it's showing here maybe it's going to fall down to touch the lower here. That's a scenario. Or maybe from here, from that level where we are, is going to go back. Even that one is another scenario to go back to give us here a double top or something, indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now, there is nothing here indicating the market is going to reverse. So we need to wait more. Here it will touch in here, that trend line here, that one here. Then also we make a decision. Either it's going to break it and also we're going to enter short, or it's going to give us here a signal the market is going to reverse. Then also we're going to enter long. That's the view. There is nothing now. You need to wait more what the market is going to tell you. I think picture is too clear. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area for some time now, and that's why me I told you don't use indicators, because as you see it, where it entered to the overbought area from here, look where we are, and it's staying there. So look from here till where we reach now, and that indicator is staying here at the overbought area. That's why me I don't use indicator that much. I use the price action. So here, that one maybe it's going to fall down till here, because over here you got a very stronger supply and demand zone, and after it will going up, or maybe from that level where we are is going to go back up. Also we don't care where it's going to go. Also we're still waiting. We need a confirmation from the chart, because when a price action telling you here the market is going to reverse, there is no one will take it from you. Like how we used to have here, you remember people they've been with us, we used to have here a megaphone here. When it's getting broke here, what happened? Yes, it's make that correction like that, but look till where it went. Same thing now. Did you got any price action here? No, you don't got anything. Yes, you can make like that, like a small symmetric triangle like that, but even that one, if it's breaking up, it's going to go high. If it's breaking lower here, maybe it's going to fall down. That's it. That's how it needs to be trading for you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, and as you see here, that symmetric triangle I show you me in 4 hours, look at it here. You saw it or no? It's very clear here. Even that one is a part of trading. If it came down now here and break it here, yes, you can enter short. If it came up here and breaking here, the trend line me I show you in the last video, you can enter long again. Same thing, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Look at me how I draw it. You came to that peak, that one, and you connecting them by a line like that, you get a trend line. If that one came and breaking up here, you enter long. And you came down to that one here and that one here, and you connecting them by dot like that, by a line like that, and you get there a symmetric triangle. If that one came and breaking up, the market it will going up. If that one came and breaking down, it's going to fall down. Everything is very simple. I think everything is too clear now. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's showing us here, we are here at the oversold area. So technically now we need to looking for a buy opportunity, because we are touching here the 200 moving average, and as I told you before, the 200 moving average is a very stronger support. Now what we need the price action to complete. The price action, we got the trend line. If it's getting broke here, also we are going to enter long. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. If it's breaking down here, even if it's that one, is it here at the oversold area? If it came down one or breaking lower here, you enter short. Everything is too clear. So now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are at the DXY or US dollar. That one here, what also we said in the last video. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. We said we got a very down channel here in the 4 hours. And when it touches here, What else we said? We said maybe from here it's going to fall down again, like how it happened here. Same time here. Did we need to enter short? No. We need a price action here. Did we got any price action there? It tried to give us here a small double top, but it's not clear. It need to give us more. It need here the market to stay sideways here a little bit to give us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now there is nothing there because that channel me are talking about, we do it yesterday like that. We came here to the one and we do it like that. As you see it, we're connecting those dots, the one, and the one. And down here we came to those ones and we do it like that. So as you see it, we got a very clear down channel. We're touching now the top of it again. Maybe from here we're going to go again to touch the lower of that channel. Yes or no? Because why? Because us here in the daily we got a uptrend and that uptrend is being touched here. I think picture is too clear. Should we enter short now? No, we don't got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short. The only thing we got there, let me show it to you, and I showed it to you yesterday in 30 minutes, but we are going back there, but let me show it to you. Got here that uptrend like that. It's need that one to come to break here. If it's breaking here, yes, you can enter short, but till now there is nothing. But if it doesn't give you here a price action, it's need to break here the trend line. But if it give us here a price action or something, also we will forget about that trend line here. Everything is very clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So technically now also we need to look in for a short opportunity, yes or no? So what we got here in the chart, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it here. That one here, it used to be a support. Yes or no? It's getting broke here. Now it's going to become a resistance. Yes or no? So it might from here we are going to fall down again. Second thing, our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Now what else we need here? We need a price action to indicating for us also we need to enter short. Did we got here any price action? No, not yet. The only thing we got there, that trend line I show you here. And that one, it's need that one to come to break it here for us to enter short again. So here in the 4 hours, we need to wait in a little bit. Maybe 1 day, 2 days, you need to wait in a little bit. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, it tried to give you that small double top I show you me, but not clear. Not that very clear. You can even make like that. It's going to give you here like a small mega fall like that, as you see it. But even that one is not very clear here in 30 minutes. So it's need that one to give us more here, more sideways here to give us more clear price action. The only thing also we got here in 30 minutes, that trend line me I show you in the 4 hours. Look at it. You came to that one down here and that one here, and you're making that trend line here. If that one came and breaking here, yes, also we're going to enter short. But till now there is nothing here indicating the market is going to reverse, and maybe yes it's going to fall down to touch here the trend line here, then after that it will going up. That even that one is a scenario. So the people they haven't enter long, if it give you here a price action or something like that, you can enter short, or if it's breaking up here you can enter long again. Everything is so clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area for some time now. Look at it. From here till where we are now. That's why me I told you those indicators don't follow them. A majority of oscillators they are like that. So now you enter short. You need first thing a price action, guy. Without a price action there is no entry short. Entry long it's being from here. People they being with us, they remember those things very, very well. Also, we enter long from here after the break of the trend line here. And it used to be another opportunity for you to enter long here when market gave you here that cup and handle here. So we'll have you enter from that candle here, because over here it's closing that candle, and the candle it used to be the candle of unemployment rate. Look, where. And now that Fed is going to talk now. I think it's talking now. So if it give you here a price action, or it's breaking here that trend line here, you enter short. If it's not, if it came here, look with me here to that one here, you're connecting those dots, that one and that one down here, give you here like a megaphone. If the market came and breaking up, you can enter long again, because over here it's showing it's still going up. Everything is so clear. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what else we said here? People, they been with us and they watching the last video of our analysis in the Bitcoin. What else we said here? We said we got here a down channel like that. That's what else we said. The down channel is getting broke here. Look at it. Should you enter long? Yes, you need to enter long now. Look at it. Why? Because it's breaking here, it go back, it tested here, now it's showing it going up. If it's breaking the last high here, it's going to go back up again. And here, they give you here any price action here. Look with me here. Look with me here. What you got here? You got here a double bottom like that. But that one here, it hasn't breaking the neckline yet. So the neckline of that one is it here. at the 200 moving average. But for us, we enter early than that. Look at it. For people that haven't entered long, it's the right time for you to enter long. Me, I'm talking here just about scalping and day trading. Bitcoin from here, it will going back upward, maybe here, maybe here. Maybe it will going back upward here where it's falling down. Why? Let me show you why. Our indicator, it's been here at the oversold area for some time now. Yes or no? Second thing, look here. You have here a divergence. Look. You came here to the one here and the one here to the one here. You got a divergence. Very clear divergence here. Second thing, what is it? You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. From here last time it bounced up. Third thing, you got a downtrend here. It's getting broke here. Let's see our other indicator was the same because the other one is going to give us very clear picture compared to the one. Let's see it. The one here, you remember in the last video what me I told you here. I told you got here a divergence. Yes or no? The one what is giving us here. The one the down one. It's giving us an uptrend that every time it touches it bouncing up. Here it's showing to us the market is at flat. Yes or no? But us, the most important way us we need to enter long because of that trend line we're getting broke here. Now we are waiting the break of the last high, then you enter long guy. Because let's make it like that. You got a trend like that. It's getting broke here. Do it like that. It tested. It needs to break for you the last high, which is here for you to enter long. The last high, which is here in that place here. If that one do it like that, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.